Hello everyone, it's been a while since we have made a nice steak recipe. So today is the day. I will teach you fast and easy fine dining recipe featuring striploin, caramelized leek, spinach and red wine sauce. So let's do it. And let's start with the meat. I have here this beautiful striploin steak today. So I will cook it in the sous vide. Normally when I do steak at home, I'm not using sous vide that much. But today I want to make very nice combination, so I use it. I season it properly with salt and pepper. And then add butter, orange zest and fresh sage into the sous vide bag. This is a combination I really like, but you can also experiment with different combination. Thyme and lemon, rosemary and lime. So that's up to you. After vacuum sealing, I cook it at 57 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Today I will use spinach, leek and pumpkin for my garnish. And a lot of people always ask me how I create recipes and how I know what will work together. And when I teach my students, I always tell them to stop thinking that way, because that mindset is exactly why they are not creative. Stop trying to learn magic flavor combinations from others. Taste is personal. I might love something you hate. So instead of following what someone else tells you, focus on what you like, what's in the season, and what your friends enjoy. Focus on learning techniques. Today I'm using leek. You can make leek puree, leek crisps, braised leek, caramelized leek, leek sauce. Learn different skills and then combine them as you like. And from there, experiment with different seasoning and spices. That's how you become creative, not because someone else gives you some universal tip. There is no such a thing. So I hope that makes sense. And now let's start with the puree. I have got a nice pumpkin here, but you can also use different type if you like. I cut it into the quarters, remove the seeds and place it on the tray with baking paper. On top, I drizzle a little bit of oil, add rosemary, garlic and salt. Then I cover it with tin foil and I roast it like that at 200 degrees Celsius until the pumpkin is very soft. So the pumpkin is inside the oven, and now let's start with the sauce. I will make easy red wine sauce. I will use my homemade stock I have in the freezer and I will infuse it with a little bit more oranges. So I roughly chop some shallots and carrots and sweat them in the pot for a few minutes. You can also use different kinds of vegetables, celery, leek, celeriac if you like, but I keep it nice and simple and I use just shallots and carrots for the sweetness. Then I add red wine, orange zest, few peppercorns and I will reduce it by half. At the end, I add my stock and let it simmer slowly. In the meantime, my pumpkin is ready. I scoop out the soft flesh, transfer it to a blender, add the roasted garlic, mascarpone and a little bit of water. Blend everything until smooth. Adjust the salt and the puree is ready. And do you know whose favorite vegetable is pumpkin? Yes, my food inspector, so of course I have to give him a taste to check the quality. The sauce is reduced now, so I strain it into the smaller pot and let it reduce a bit more. While the sauce is reducing, I prepare the leek. I cut a few nice pieces and cook them in salted boiling water with squeeze of lemon juice for around 3 minutes. Then for the spinach, I slice some garlic thinly and let it slowly turn golden in the pan to infuse the oil. Then I add the spinach with salt and pepper, give it a quick saute, and it's ready for plating. My sauce has a nice thickness now, so I just finish it with butter and pinch of salt, and it's ready to go. The last two things I need to do is to caramelize the leek and finish the meat. I take the steak out of the bag and sear it on very hot pan until it gets a beautiful golden color on both sides. Make sure you dry with paper towel so you don't add unnecessary water on the pan. I start by searing the fat and then the rest. While the meat is resting, I finish the leek. I caramelize it with a little bit of oil and sugar until golden and glossy. Don't do it for too long because the leek is already cooked and you want to just create nice golden crust.
And guys, if you're looking for the way to truly learn fine dining cooking, so you can create your own recipes, cook without following recipes with confidence, understand heat management and elevate your plating, all from the comfort of your own home and your own schedule, check out the link in description. With my structured training, which has helped already more than 200 students, you can develop these skills step by step in just few months. Watch the short video on my website, and if it resonates with you, apply. I will personally get back to you to discuss the best way forward.
And now, let's play the dish. I start with a nice spoon of my garlicky spinach, caramelized leek on the top, a nice piece of juicy steak, a little bit of my pumpkin puree, nasturtium leaves and sorrel, and finally finish with red wine sauce infused with orange. And there you have it. I guarantee you, if you try this at home, you will impress every single guest.
And if you like beef recipes, check out my video for beef tataki mosaic and try it at home. Thank you for watching guys, and I see you soon.